So as you can see, this is the pH scale. It's a scale from 0 to 14, and basically anything below 7 is an acid, and anything above 7 is a base. When represented by the little strips of paper called litmus paper that tell you if it's an acid or a base, acids are usually red and bases are blue. There's a little thin line that's exactly 7 right in the middle, and that is green, such as pure water. So there are 3 different definitions of acids. There's Arrhenius, there's Bronsted-Lowry, and then there's Lewis. However, we're going to be focusing on the definition of Arrhenius, which basically means that it releases a hydrogen ion when mixed with water.
One way is using litmus paper. By putting a piece of blue litmus paper on here, you can put an acid, such as hydrochloric acid, on it, and if it turns red, then you'll know for sure it's acidic. To determine if it is basic, you'll put a drop of a base or something basic on red litmus paper to see if it turns blue, so you know for sure it's basic. And there we go, an acid and a base. Another way is pH paper. You can get a solution, such as liquid ammonia, and drip it on this paper. Right then and there, it will show you exactly what it is by matching up the color on here. It looks like it's about a 10. You could get another solution, such as hydrochloric acid, again, and drip it on the paper. By looking at this, we can see it's about a 3.5. So this one's an acid, because it's before 7, and this one's a base, because it's a 10, which is after 7. The last way I'll be showing you is by using an electronic pH meter. How you use this is first you take off the cap. Then you turn it on. Wait for this to get to 0. Then you stick it in. You gotta wait for these numbers to stop going around so much and kind of settle on about 1 or 2 numbers. And there we can see it's about exactly a 3. So now we know that lemon juice, being a 3 on the pH scale, is an acid.
Go.
So the next part is bases. First of all, some characteristics of acids and bases are acids are sour and they conduct electricity. Bases tend to be bitter and slippery. Bases release hydroxide ions when they're mixed with water. Some examples of bases are soap and baking soda.